I'm hoping it rains for Christmas, 'cause I miss you most when it snows. I sit in the drive 'cause I can't stand the sight of you not standing there at the door. I'm hoping it pours for Christmas, so my sisters don't see me cry. I sit by your chair and pretend that you're there until I'm driving home through the night. I turn off all the songs, look away from the light. Maybe I can make it to at least New Year's Eve till I fall on my knees. So I'm hoping it storms for New Year's, so I never have to explain why I stayed in and lost my mind again, wishing you could come back for a day. You're still in my phone, and I don't know why. Sometimes I still text you how I'm doing and how hard this is to go through, but I'm hoping it's warm for Christmas, so it doesn't feel like it's here. Can't say goodbye when my heart couldn't try. Maybe I can let you go next year. Maybe I could let you go next year. Maybe I could let you go next year.